jerseys. What do you buddies want to do at Fort Finship today?
We honestly have no idea, baby. It feels like we're fresh out of plans for now.
I'm sure one of our friends has an idea. Do you have any sort of plan, Hank?
I actually do have something for us to do. Or should I say, me and Puppycorn came up with the idea. Would you want to explain it, Puppycorn?
Gladly. I was thinking that we should all recreate Hank's sculpture out of Rocky that he made during school.
You mean the sculpture that got smashed up by Toad, which made Hank very upset?
Yeah. That was the one. In which I'm glad Toad learned his lesson for sure.
Besides the point, I have a good feeling this new sculpture will truly be better than the original.
So why are we just standing here like statues? Let's get to work on remaking Hank's sculpture. Very well. Chucks, William, and Villa, you three get some paint and an unused round object for Rocky's model.
This black and turquoise paint and this white round item should help make the perfect sculpture model for Rocky.
Now we need to sketch out the sculpture so we can know what it will look like once we get to making it.
And we're the best doodlers for that job. We'll draw out the sketches for you, Hank.
While those two are sketching out the picture, we now need a base for the sculpture to prevent it from falling off, in which me and Unikitty will go and get that. This dark yellow base should be well fitting for the Rocky sculpture. Why don't you take a closer look of it, Hank?
Looks good to me. I think we're almost ready to put everything together.
Perfect timing. We got done sketching out the blueprint for the sculpture. And you now got the items we need for it. We're almost clear to get to work.
I just need to take some last-minute measurements on Rocky, so we can be sure the round object is just about the right size before we can get started.
So, how are the measurement of Rocky?
It's just about the correct size we need for him to be. Now we're fully ready to remake the sculpture. Great measuring, Lil'Petey. That means we're ready to start working. I will paint the round ball item turquoise. William, you use the black paint for Rocky's face. And Baby Shark, be sure to hold the round object so it doesn't roll away.
You got it, our dearest Hank. Let's not waste any more time and get on with it.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
Yoo-hoo. We did it. The sculpture out of Rocky is now revived and remade.
I am so impressed with the way it turned out. It's like it was never smashed up by Toad. What do you think of it, Rocky?
I guess it's safe to say that he really loved your sculpture, Hank.
He sure does. We'll put it inside your bubble ball pit nook so it can remain safe and sound, and we'll make sure Toad doesn't go after this one.
Good thinking, Goldie. Thanks so much, you guys, for helping me remake my Rocky sculpture.
Don't mention it, Hank. After all, we always help out each other, one way or another.
And now, let's go outside and play a nice friendly game of kickball.
You're so on, Puppycorn. So let's go for it then.